Here's another look at that severe thunderstorm rolling through Crookston at 5 a.m. We've got small branches all over the street here. Wind gusts high enough for that. And rolling into downtown on eastbound Highway 2. Heavy rain. The overpass here going into downtown underneath the railroad overpass, filling up with water. Emergency traffic had one car stalled a bit farther down, but give you a look here. It's hard to see with the heavy rain, but filling up with water beneath this railroad bridge going into downtown Crookston, as heavy rain rolls through the Northern Valley at 5 a.m. on this Thursday morning. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.